Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I'm doing wonderful on this beautiful, beautiful day. It not too cold.
Not too shabby.
Not too hot. In a couple days it will be kind of
warm and cool.
Warm and cool today, right now.
No jacket for me.
And jacket for me. But I'm the camera facing this way for, won't have an accident again. I don't want an accident again. Today's a good day. I want no accident. How like before. Cause I don't want to wait. In the waiting room of the own kale. I don't want to wait too long. Had to pause it. Hang on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I paused it for a reason. Look at my dad. No coat, no jacket. No.
Just a hat to keep the hair out of my eyes.
Yep. Have to. Like I'm wearing. I'm wearing a coat, a jacket, and a hat to keep my hair, my eyes, and my sunny hat.
You wear a hat when you were bald. What are you talking about?
I have remember that. I have seen my eye before.
Yeah, you keep the sun out of your eyes before you wear a hat.
Yep. Is it a good day? Look at them beautiful flowers over there. The weeds.
No, they're not weeds.
What?
They're lilies.
Oh. Hang on, better wait. Number 54. 54. Oh, what was I saying?
Isn't that pretty? Cooper's Hawk, number 3.
I can't see. Too bright. 54 again on both sides. But
I knew I heard him.
I heard him too, but I couldn't see him. Too bright, the sun. My eyes.
Yep.
Too bright.
That sound. That's the Cooper's Hawk.
Yeah, the sun too bright for my eyes, so I need to get some sunglasses. I could get paid next week or so by some dude I know. I'm working for him underneath the table, but who cares?
Is that Michael's neighbor or something?
Yeah. Hang on, guys. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. Pause it just for a sec. It's beautiful out here on the bike trail. They new garbage can. They rebuilding this parking lot or so. Part of the church. They've been like this, but they just rebuilding it. Why you finally pick up the pace? Oh, kind of pause it. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to pause it because it went on a bike trail.
Privacy Act.
Any cars?
Yeah, one.
Way down there. Now the car won't come on that side, it's coming on this side.
Sure?
going underneath the bridge. Woo, woo.
Not loud now.
Yeah, you hear it. Cars above 45. 45 right here. Keep going. Here it goes.
Yeah, there is a two-car.
Yeah. In the road now. But who cares? Yeah, I get away in a day, almost 5 o'clock. And be no soul for 1 whole week. And look down at them horses. Woo! Horses over there. Horses over there. Can't really see them right now because trees in the way, bushes, and yeah. Oak farming. I love oak farms. The side tween. No clouds. No clouds today.
No clouds at all.
I know.
Except the outskirts.
Look that downtown. Look at downtown. Downtown Houston. Oak Farms. Downtown Houston again. I love downtown. I mean, close, very close to it right now.
Quite a mile away.
About 1 mile or so.
About a mile.
Yeah, we're about to turn here. Right? Oh, alright. God.
About a mile.
And then here the second part of the oak farms.
Quarter of a mile.
Here the other part of the oak farms.
It's about a quarter of a mile.
Quarter mile. Had to be moving out the way. We have one vehicle ahead of us and one behind us. They can't move over. We have a vehicle behind us. So here's Oak Farms again. Between.
Never know. It could be a half.
They painting it, you know? They painting it. Pressure wash. Painting. Yep, painting it. Yep, painting. Huh?
You would smell that.
Hang on. Let me move.
Now you would smell that.
What, paint? Alright, keep going.
That's old. They used to. They were painting it. They ain't painting it right now.
Yesterday we had high winds. Yesterday, so well, God, we're to go on the sidewalk. I got my bike keys today, guys, so no, I normally forget them. Not today. Thank God. Hallelujah. Thank God. God is the best. Don't forget that. FedEx over there. You can't come in the bike lane, you know. Cars can't. The one I'm talking about, guys. U-Haul, big U-Haul.
Beep.
You ready to go, huh?
Moving out of your way.
And number 40. Forgot. I'm ready to go. Number glass up here. Wanna down the sidewalk?
Not really.
That time we're going to Kroger's today, so me and my dad going in the road now. One day in the road? On a sidewalk? That what it look like out. That'd be 12 minutes, or 13. I don't care right now. You know, the apartments. To watch it. Back up because my dad died. You alright?
Yeah, go. I had some kind of thing stuck in my tire. Take this out.
Oh, makes sense. I need to put it now. And we have arrived pretty much. That's our destination. We pretty much have arrived at our destination. They'll be 12 minutes long. On the old team, we have arrived. Here's Kroger's right here. We know this Dollar General, and right next to it is Kroger's. So, hope you guys like the videos. God bless. Adios. Bye.